use the mechanic hand to shape it.
So that's why we don't have so many labors nowadays. Hi everyone, I'm Slow. I just got work off now. I'm so tired. If you wanna enter robotics field, you have to prepare the heart that you will be always busy and tired. I'm kidding. Today I wanna show you something that actually in China nowadays there are so many factories are using industrial robots to make products as our one child policy is cancelled. In the past, if you have more kids, the family have more kids, you will be in very bad situation, even will be put in the jail. But nowadays, the government encourage you have more children, then they will give you some money kind of things, because Chinese population is reduced. In the old time it increased. That's why China is the #1 country in the population, just the population. So that's why we don't have so many labors nowadays, especially young people. So the factories using the industrial robots to do those work. And today let me show you a good example that Tesla car Model Y series made from 0 to 1 by industrial robots. Okay, because I'm a bit of tired, so my mind can't running very fast. I have to think, especially in English, not in Chinese. Sorry. Thank you for your time. Now let's watch this video. Here we go. Well, have you, after watching that video, maybe you just think that wow, it looks cool, or it looks not bad, but you didn't get why, because at the first I also didn't get the point as video is so fast. Now let me watch it again. Let me to explain it a bit. And I record this. I made this video day by day after my working off. So today maybe I wear different clothes and yeah, it's a different time. Just a piece and piece day by day. So finally I made this video.
Well, now let's see how the Tesla car made from 0 to 1. In the beginning, we can see that the blanking machine flattens the raw material aluminum coil, cuts it with a laser, and transports it to the stamping line. Then the body parts, such as the hitch cover, come out. Make this kind of one only needs 6 seconds, so which is really very high efficient. These parts are then sent to the body center for assembly. And the feature of this center is that it can manufacture the body shell in 5 different integral connection methods. Whether it is traditional electric welding or Tesla's cold metal transfer technology, the new Delta Sports resistance welding technology, and the robot in the body center can process it. And the finished shell is transported to the paint shop by a huge robot. The pretreatment and painting process is also fully automatic. After entering the final assembly stage, the intelligent transporter will transport the car body along the magnetic strip in the factory by itself. Everything from tiny robots doing delicate jobs to big robots that move entire bodies, and the robot that installs the seat. When the seat is put down, he can also change it to other tools to do other work, such as installing the windshield and applying adhesives. In the entire manufacturing process, a total of 160 robots are involved in the work, which makes the production efficiency soar. It only takes about 3 to 5 days to build such a car, and the human ability limit can't reach this level. So that's why I'm so excited about the robotic factories which are making different products for us. Now let me see another video about the dumplings, because I know many people like this food and I like it too. At first, make the dough and stuffing, and put the stuffing into the dough. Say it's done, and then get it out. But then you have to shape it. So use the mechanic hand to shape it, and then put it to the box. This is a famous brand, a dumpling brand here, but normally we don't buy it directly. We just make dumplings by ourselves, especially the Chinese people from the north of China. Look, in the whole product line, there isn't any human beings are doing any work on it. It's automatic totally. Now it's totally done. but still have to check whether there is some dumplings are not good. So after that, then put this small box into big box. So this is some factories examples. Hope it give you some new ideas about how the robots doing work in the factories. If you like this kind of video, give a like. And thank you for your like. Thank you for your time.